The Lenovo DCG Xeon Bronze 3106 Proc Optical Kit is a powerful computing solution designed for data centers and enterprise environments that demand reliability and performance. As organizations continue to embrace digital transformation, the need for robust processing units that can handle intense workloads has become paramount. This review delves deep into the features, performance, and overall value of the Lenovo DCG Xeon Bronze 3106 Proc Optical Kit. First and foremost, the Xeon Bronze 3106 is part of Intel's highly regarded Xeon processor family, specifically tailored for entry-level servers. Operating at a base frequency of 1.7 GHz with the potential for turbo boost up to 3.5 GHz, it offers a commendable balance between power consumption and performance. Built on Intel's 14nm process technology, this processor is designed to provide the efficiency needed in a data center environment while maintaining the capability to scale as businesses grow. One of the standout features of the Xeon Bronze 3106 is its support for multi-threading. With 6 cores and 12 threads, it allows for parallel processing, which is particularly beneficial in applications that can leverage multiple threads. This is a significant advantage when running virtualization platforms in multiple applications simultaneously, as it ensures that tasks are completed efficiently without considerable lag or downtime. In terms of memory support, the Xeon Bronze 3106 supports up to 768 GB of DDR4 RAM, with a memory bandwidth of 6.4 GT/s. This is particularly useful for memory-intensive applications, such as databases and big data analytics. The processor's support for Intel's Advanced Memory Buffer (AMB) technology further enhances memory performance and reliability, which is crucial for mission-critical applications. The thermal design power (TDP) of the Xeon Bronze 3106 is rated at 85 W, making it a relatively energy-efficient option for organizations looking to manage their power consumption effectively. This feature is particularly appealing for data centers aiming to reduce overhead costs associated with electricity and cooling systems. Despite its lower TDP in comparison to higher-end models in the Xeon family, this processor still delivers substantial performance, making it an excellent choice for businesses looking for a cost-effective solution without compromising on capability. The optical kit component of this product includes essential hardware that enhances the overall functionality of the processor. The optical kit provides the necessary interfaces for connecting optical transceivers, enabling high-bandwidth data transfer over long distances. This is particularly beneficial for environments where low latency and high throughput are critical, such as cloud computing and telecommunications. The inclusion of these components demonstrates Lenovo's commitment to providing comprehensive solutions that address the varying demands of modern enterprises. Furthermore, the integration of Intel's platform security features, such as Intel Software Guard Extensions, SGX, and Trusted Execution Technology, TXT, enhances the security profile of the Xeon Bronze 3106. As cyber threats continue to evolve, having a processor that prioritizes security is crucial for organizations looking to protect sensitive data and maintain compliance with industry regulations. Installation and compatibility are also key considerations in any data center deployment. The Lenovo DCG Xeon Bronze 3106 Proc Optical Kit is compatible with a wide range of Lenovo server systems, ensuring that organizations can adopt this processor into their existing infrastructure with ease. The processor's design allows for straightforward integration, minimizing downtime during upgrades or replacements. In terms of pricing, the Xeon Bronze 3106 is positioned as an economical option within the Xeon lineup. For organizations with budget constraints but who still require reliable processing power, this processor offers excellent value for money. When compared to other processors with similar specifications, the Xeon Bronze 3106 often comes out on top in terms of cost-effectiveness without significantly sacrificing performance. However, it's essential to note that while the Xeon Bronze 3106 excels in many areas, it may not be the best fit for every workload. For extremely demanding applications, such as high-performance computing or large-scale transaction processing, organizations may need to consider higher-tier processors within the Xeon family. Nonetheless, for entry to mid-tier applications, the Xeon Bronze 3106